Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to our channel. Guys, I have a situation here. That's Jordan. Say morning, Jordan. Good morning. You're picking flowers for mommy. So they're picking flowers for me, putting in that thing. Anyways, guys, so like I'm saying, I have a situation here. That's Maya. My living room, my living and dining. That's the situation I'm having right now. I'm trying to find a nice layout for spring layout. And me and my kids, we move the chair over on this side. You have never seen the chair on this side before, guys. This is actually close to the doorway. Yeah. So we move the chair, and on this side, it looks really nice. But my problem is up there. Up there. Those cards there. Yep. Yeah. I hate that. And the next problem is the doorway. The door is not really the big problem. Like it's really nice looking at it from inside. It looks so good. I don't want to change it. I want it to stay. And the table over here is really nice with the buffet table behind it, and that's really nice. You know, it goes well with these curtains, the black, red and white, and yeah, it is really really nice. But guys, this is my problem now. Hold on, I'm talking. This is my problem. So when you're inside the house and you're looking at it like this, it's good. Yeah, nice. But if you should walk through this door, sorry guys, sorry, where you going to the cup? If you should, where's Daddy? If you should walk through this door, you're just seeing this. You see what I'm talking about now? Yeah, you're just seeing this. Look like there's nothing. So that is my problem, guys. But like I said, when I'm inside, I love it. It looks so good. And when I come in the house from this angle, from the kitchen or the bedrooms, it looks really nice. Yeah, but it's just my problem is over there. So I'm thinking, guys, that I'm going to put this couch, same layout, because you know it have two ways you can, lay out. So I'm going to just turn it right here and put my things on the wall. Like this side would be right there, and this long piece would be down here. That's what I'm thinking. And then the coming in now would be different. But I love this so much, guys, and I don't want to change this. This is really nice. But when you lay out your furnitures, or you set out your living room, or whatever the situation, bedroom or whatever it is, coming in the house from all entrance, you must see it and it must look good. If it don't look good from one entrance, that means something is wrong. So like I said, it looks good from two ways, but that way over there, it doesn't look so good, as you see. So we have to do something about that. Like I said, guys, I keep rambling about how much I love this layout, but this layout does work for two ways. It doesn't work for the other way, and we have to do something about it. So let's just try, see if we can rearrange a bit and see if it's gonna look better. I begin to so for sure. Yeah. You're mine for sure. Okay guys, so I moved one piece. I'm going to move the next piece now. But I'm going to pause the camera because I don't want the storage space to run out. And then I'll show you. So I put the chair on this side. This is the only problem right here because right here wasn't finished wrapped. Yeah. But not to worry, I'll just put a blanket on this side so it doesn't really show. And I know we're going to wrap this really soon, so it's not going to be a problem. But this way isn't bad either. When you're coming from the inside, outside, it looks good. So now guys, is to figure out where I'm going to put the table. Am I going to put, I'm thinking if I could put the table long way, like this way, or should I just put it back like this? I don't know. Let me see. If I should put the table this long way, then the buffet table, where would I put it? I could put it on this wall over here. Let me try guys and see if it would work. I begin to. The reason why it's so hard, guys, to lay out the furniture the way I want to lay them out is because the living room is very small and it has to be shared for the living and the dining, so it's small. So that's the reason. So this is not going to work, guys. Let me show you. There's not enough space. So you see, guys, if I should put the table long way like this, there's not going to be enough space. I'd have to push it. Let me push it all the way down to the wall and see. See that, guys? There's not enough space because if you should look down here, the table is gonna be too close to the, the chair, the center table. So I'm going to have to try and put it long way and see how it's going to look. But then now, where would I put that. That's the next thing. I could probably put it on this wall and see. Let's do it. Guys, this is one of the reasons I don't when I'm doing like changing up in the living or the dining or wherever, I don't really show it on camera because it takes a long time and I have to be moving and doing this and rearranging and all that. And I don't want to give up your time to show you all of the changes that I have to do to get to what I like. So I usually just do it off camera and then just show you when I'm cleaning it up. Yeah, but today I decided to show you all of what I have to do when I am doing a rearranging video, all the work it takes.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now.
I think I like this one too also, guys. This is not bad. So the buffet table, we would leave it over there. And put the table right here. Yeah, and the center table can go up some more. This is good space. Yep, let us work with this for now. So I'm just gonna put it all together, guys, and then when I'm doing the decorating, I'll show, and the cleaning, I'll show you. So let us just put everything together first, and then I'll show you. But this is not bad. This is not bad, and there's still a lot of space here. Yeah, and it looks good from the outside when I'm standing at the doorway looking in. It looks good. Like I said, that's the sore eye, but that sore eye will be soon gone. Be gone soon. But this is real life, guys. This is not any fake thing. This is our life, real life. If you want to see our real life story, then you're welcome on this channel. If you want to see some fake stuff, I'm sorry, we don't do any fake stuff on this channel. It's all real. And I know a lot of you out there can relate, because I know you don't like to see the fake things on YouTube. You rather see the real thing, because we're real people living real life, and it doesn't make any sense to come in any fake thing, because it's not helping anybody. So this is what our house is like, guys. This is our small house, and we are just trying to make it comfortable for our family, and to also share some ideas with you guys and let you guys know you're not alone. You know, we can do whatever we're doing together and get our little home looking nice and lovely for our comfort. So yes, guys, so I'm gonna put everything together and then I'll show you. So this is what it's looking like so far, with the couch on this side. Yep, and the table over here, and it looks lovely, and it still have lots of space, so that's not bad. And the buffet table over here, really nice. What do you think, guys? Tell me your honest opinion. What do you think? I'm gonna put that carpet right there. Yep. So let me look at it now from in my daughter's room. My daughter did her bedroom already. The TV is still in there. I'm going to remove it. I'm not going to put the TV in here. I'm not going to put the TV in the living room. I'm not sure. Wow, this looks good. I'm not sure if I'm going to put it on the buffet table or not. I don't know. Probably I'll put it in my daughter's room. And if I do put my TV in here, I'll probably put it over on this wall. I don't know, maybe. But anyways, this is looking nice. This is looking lovely. It was a good idea for the change. It was a really good idea for the change. So I'm going to decorate it. I'm going to put the things back on the wall. Remove them from over there. Put them over here. And then I put some other things over on that wall. That's Jamaya trying to take out the cookie. You can take it. Take one. Take one and give Jordan one.
what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing.
Okay guys, so I put this blanket over here just to somewhat hide the back. Let me show you. Let me know what you think about of me putting it. And I kind of put the shoe stand. It's not really a shoe stand. Well, it's a shoe stand, but it's not going to be used for a shoe stand now. It's basically a book stand now. So I'll put it there, kind of back the part that is not that is open, that's not yet wrapped. What do you think? I don't think it's bad. I think it's okay. But what do you think? Let me know in the comments if I should just remove the book thing. Let me move it and show you first. So I removed it and it's like this. Either way, it doesn't look bad. Honestly. Either way, it doesn't look bad. Like I said, we soon wrap that part. So for now, what do you think? Should I put back let the book stand stay there? Or let it stay open like this? Yeah. Or should I leave the blanket there? I think the blanket look nice there. Even though there's two different colors. But all the colors, this one match with the painting also. And it also match with the brown in the couch and the cushions. Yes, and it has white on it. So it is, and it has burgundy. So yeah, because look guys. There's burgundy, there's brown, there's white. So they all match with the cushions and the painting. So yep, let's do so I'm gonna put back the book stand for now guys. I'll look forward to hear what you said in the comments, but I'm gonna put it back for now, and you guys let me know if I should let it stay or remove it.